This is a set of flat nose pliers with a plain jaw, by Expotools. In the pack, you will find the tool ready for use. Features include a spring-loaded operation and insulated handles. The nose of the pliers is 5 mm in breadth, giving them a broad purchase area for an extra firm grip. This also ensures effectiveness when bending or straightening wire, photo-etch parts, or other metal components. And the jaws are smooth with a maximum capacity of 40 mm. The tool has an overall length of 130 mm. The flat-nosed, plain jaw pliers by Expotools.